Trooper nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kaniti ka call galabot ikden jat jong kurem jong ka wala klat no Major Vibhuti Shankar Dhonial hakaba si sajan kalapinya so ilade kum ko officer jong katanat spai. Kaniti ka kalapendep ikjing sha hikai Officers Training Academy Chennai ringkat bachispa khnai pinjong wot kiwai pat bakantup ya khanar ngot kiba nagari Bhutan. Hakaski blapens kem yaki hakam General Officer Commanding the Northern Command Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi lapendai iki klor hakitir peng jong ka nitika. Ka nitika kalarong hakakam kum ko officer kakardan lieutenant. Laban kado bo kurim jong ka Major Vibhuti ula IT yala ka jing im hakapor bagaladon ka jing sha thombor hapulwama hagireu pentrem hausnam arajar khat khandai.
book for you to read. An artist, we're really proud of you.
Jai Hind everyone. The journey has been marvelous and I believe my journey has just started. The last 11 months have made me learn so many things in my life. And I would like to thank everyone who have kept faith on me. My mother-in-law, my mother, and all those who have been part of the journey. I probably could not have done without you guys. And I would just like to say that the way you have kept faith on me, that have made my journey easier. And I just would like to end with saying that everyone, please have faith in yourself. There's absolutely nothing that can stop you from achieving what you have aimed for. Just have faith. Jai Hind, be safe.
How much you remember your husband at this moment?
I believe it's like a parallel world. It's a parallel world. The day I stepped in, I imagined that and I felt that the same journey that he has traversed through, and I'm traveling through the same journey. So I believe he's always going to be part of my life, and even today he's somewhere around, looking at me, and I can feel that he's just holding me and saying, you just did it.
Right.
I just love you, Vibhu. I really love you.
What is the message for the women now? Around like
I would like to say you need to keep faith on yourself. At times life may seem very difficult. As time you find that things are not working out, or probably it's too difficult. You may feel that you are going to lose it.
right.
Even if at that point you lose it, you need to understand it's not the end of the life. You need to try again, get up. Someday for sure you're gonna win it. Just keep faith in yourself.
Right.
So that's what I can say.
All the best to you. All the very best to you. Thank you.